I'm going to send a shout out to the people that make this AI voice recorder, Audio, Sound, and Grace. They sent me this to check out. So initially, taking a look at the packaging, it's very well packaged. Almost reminds you of an Apple product, the way they've put it together, but it isn't. And there's the code on it if you want to know more about it, and the cover. So let's open this up and see what we're dealing with here. Like I said, it's an AI voice recorder. I don't really have a need for this, but if I was still working, I would probably find this pretty invaluable. Or actually, if you wanted to take notes, you know, shopping list or whatever, there's many ways you can do that, but obviously you could actually use this to do that. So this is the first time opening the box. It does kind of feel like an Apple type product, the way the tolerance is on the packaging. Audio, Sound, and Grace. All right, this is called the BizCard. It says, "Be my hand, pave my path." It tells you everything you need to know about it. Tells you what the buttons do. Got a barcode to download an app. How to switch recording modes. Any accessories you want to use with it, you can hook it up to your computer. Talks about the tech. And then it goes over to Chinese. But anyway, here is the product. Oh, it is so tiny, so small. Let's undo it. Again, very much like an Apple product, the way they put it together, all right? It comes with its own USB cable. Doesn't everything today come with its own USB cable? I'll leave that in there. But if you're taking a look at this packaging, it does really remind you of an Apple product, the way it's put together. It comes with a little wallet. I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure what this is at all. I'm not sure. Oh, it has a magnet on it. So if you want, you can keep this. You can actually keep this in the pouch. All right. There's your magnet. You can peel and stick this on the back of it like that, as you can see, and then you peel that off of there, and it will actually stick to your phone if you want to carry it with you everywhere you go. That's pretty cool. All right. A nice tight fit in the pouch, but that's you see what I'm getting at, right? You can take this adhesive off, put it right on here, or put it, actually, no, you know what? You can put it on your phone. If you don't have a phone that has a magnet on it, you can put it right on your phone, and then it'll stick to here. But my phone has the magnet, the mag lock on it, so I'm all set with that. So we're going to put this in here, all right? Now, I don't know if this is going to power up or not. Turn conversations into contact notes is what it says. Oh, there it is. It turned on. It's listening. You see, it's listening to my voice. That's the microphone. It's pretty cool. I don't have a need to use it at the moment, but I was going to give an unboxing and first impression of this. And I can see that it's actually recording me now. I just held that button down a little bit more. If you want to take a good look. All right. But it does have some contacts on the back here, and I'm not exactly sure what that's for. I don't know yet. And I am going to, for right now, wait a minute. I'm trying to find out where to charge this. I do have a USB cable here. Oh, let's see. Let's actually see what's on the other side of the USB cable. It may not be what we think it is. Okay, no, it is not. This is contacts that go right on the back of this, right here. You see it? Right, there's a little magnetic latch. Now let's go plug this in. All right, so I'm over here now, and what I've done is we put the magnetic latch on the back of this. We're just going to plug it into the USB charger, and it'll be off and running to charge. and it's charging. The light here tells you that it's charging right up here. That little charge indicator. So we're going to let this go ahead and charge. And like I said, this is just for an unboxing and a first impression only. My opinion of the product is it looks like it's pretty cool. It's the size of a credit card. Might be just as thick as a credit card too. But if I do actually get to actually use this for some reason, I will make another video of it. But thanks for watching, and check this product out.